Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the best Agoda discount coupon codes or discount promo codes, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on Agoda page where you can find this link, that affiliate link here. This link will help you to get this discount. Here you can see some hotels that is actually listed on discounts, right, just like this. And here is some third-party website like coupon.sa/agoda where you can find their code here, different types of discount codes like I got a promo code up to 50% plus extra 5% off on hotel booking. So you can do is simply click on show coupon, so it will reveal this coupon code here. So simply here it is. Now simply click on copy code and it will also redirect you to the partner page where you can get this discount page here. Now the second website is the staff, so where you can find coupons.staff.co.nz/agoda. This URL will help you to get this page where you can find all the coupon codes are listed here. Now you have to do is simply click on get code and you can find all the details about this code here, and here is the deal. Here's the code here. Simply click on copy code and here you can see the code is now copied to your clipboard and we can use it or paste it when we want. So this last website is Picodi, so you can go to the picodi.com/us/agoda and you can find all the Agoda link from here, Agoda code from here. So you can reveal the code by simply click on this button, and you can also find the details about this code here. So for that you have to log in with your email to get the cashback on Agoda. So you can also enter your email and activate the cashback on the Agoda here. So also you can go to the Agoda here, so you can log in and you can save this here. So if you are on the application, so you can save 10% on your first app booking. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.